Hey, I'm back again with another automotive quick tip. The customer just want to have his pads replaced, nothing else. So once you remove the tire, take a 14 millimeter wrench, undo the bolt. And then you can lift the caliper straight up. Once you lift the caliper straight up, get the pads. What you do, you pop the pads out, just like so. Pull them out. Take your pad, install it in the bracket. Back pad. Pad. Okay. I have a pad depressor. You can buy these on Amazon for around 45 bucks. Just put the pad compressor in. Squeeze your pad in. You can actually do it one-handed. Alright, get it in. What I normally like to do on all my brakes, whether it's just installing pads, I always like to remove the slide pins, make sure they functioning properly. Okay, add a little grease to them. And slide them back in. Give you a smooth slide. I even do it up top. Take my hands, put a little grease on the slide pin. Slide it back in. Okay. And you can let it down. Get your bolt. Put your bolt back in. Take your 14. Tighten it up. And you repeat this process on the other side. That's quick tip for the day. Thanks.